Hearing slash pre-trial. We have offer that my client would like to avail herself to, whereby there will no longer be a bond violation. My client will fill an amended charge, the sort of comment.
Right.
771 for a period of 3 months.
Okay. Do we care which charge we dismiss and which charge we reduce? All right, Ms. Burgess, did you discuss your rights and options with your attorney?
Yes.
You understand all those rights and the options they give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Yes. Understanding the added charge and your rights and options, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today? Mr. Jadal, I've got an incident date of October 23, 25. Could you voir dire?
Dating back to October 2025, within the township of Huron. At that time, did you make persistent phone calls to the father of your unborn child?
Yes.
And that was you agreed you did it with the intent to arrest. Is that correct? I'm satisfied.
So am I. I'll accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss both the original charges. What should I know about the lady before I sentence today?
She is present, very emotional time of a relationship, pregnancy. There was another woman at the scene that she is currently, Your Honor, getting mental health.
Good. Where at?
Well, I know the name of my therapist's name is Amy. I don't know the name of the.
Okay. How often are you going? Good. How long have you been going?
Anything going on.
Okay. When's baby due? Oh, congrats. Good luck. Yeah. All right, go ahead. I'm sorry, counsel.
Sometimes I want to believe by at the last thing we right through to the prosecution and support this deal. She's going to do everything that she can to slow it down for the next 3 months. She doesn't need this on a record, doesn't want it on a record. She understands to continue the no contact distribution. She will do that.
All right. Are you working?
Maternity leave, yes.
Where were you working at? Okay. How long were you there? Okay. Anything you want to tell me? Don't feel that you have to. Okay. And I'm assuming no criminal history. All right, Ms. Burgess, I will delay sentence for 3 months. During that time period, stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges. I'm assessing court costs the amount of $500. Can you pay that today, or can you set up a payment plan today? And I think there's also a no contact with victims.
She understands she's going out like that.
All right. Just so we're clear, no contact, like no social media, no phone calls, no letters, no Hallmark cards. You see them at Taco Bell, you're eating at Burger King. You don't tell your friends to go see how they're doing, just no contact. All right. You are going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good news is the prosecutor wants me to dismiss the charge against you from December 14, 2025. I'm assuming that's okay with you.
Yes, sir.
Have a lovely day.
You too. Thank you. Appreciate your time.
Thank you. You are free to leave.
Thanks.
Irving, Andrew Irving. Good morning, sir. Come on up. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes.
You've met with the prosecutor. It says you're going to plead guilty to an added charge of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied first offense. Is that your deal?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understand the possible penalty for that charge?
Yes.
You understand that the Secretary of State's probably going to put 2 points on your record? All right. And did you read your rights form?
Yeah.
Understood those rights? Yeah. And the options they give you?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
Sir, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on February 8, 2006?
Yes, I did.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charge. You're working?
Yes.
Where do you work? How long have you been there?
Public waste. I've been there 23 years.
Good. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? Your license still suspended, I assume?
It was an emergency. Apologize.
Okay. All right. Mr. Irving, I think I said this, I dismissed the original charge that was issued to you. On today's file, fines and costs, $500 and 4 days on the court work program. Work program is assessed as an alternative to jail. You pick which 4 days you want to work. We'll give you a schedule. You got to be here each of those days at 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you pay the $500 today?
Yeah.
Go on downstairs, take care of the money, get a smile from the cashier, and they'll sign you up as well. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Danny Strunk. Ms. Strunk, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? You made a deal with the prosecutor?
Yes.
Says you're going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, and they want me to dismiss the misdemeanor that was issued to you on February 3rd. Is that your deal? All right. I'll accept the plea to the civil infraction. Fines and costs, $250. Can you pay that today?
Today, not all of it today.
All right. Go downstairs and make arrangements. Good luck. If we don't get our $250, the misdemeanor is back on for you to deal with. Understood? Good luck. Heather, I screwed that up. I didn't realize that there were, oh, it's not a reduced charge.
It's just added money.
Yeah, it had two charges, one was exceeding. Is it Lesage? Say it again? Come on up, Mr. Lesage. You're going forward today without an attorney, is that correct? You've met with the prosecutor? Let's see what we got. Okay, same deal. You're going to plead responsible to impeding traffic. We're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge, correct? All right. I'll accept your plea to the civil infraction. Fines and costs on that one, $180. Can you pay it today? Go downstairs and make arrangements. Any questions? Tabitha Farrat. Is it Farrat? Good morning. Lots of paperwork here. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, let me see what we got. All right, so I've got one file from Sumter Township, July 3rd, 2022. Drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied is the charge. Says here you're going to plead guilty to allow unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle. Is that your deal?
What does that say? Allow unlicensed driver to drive? Is that drive?
Yeah, it's supposed to the driver starts with a P, and so it's,
Okay. All right. And the other files I have, Huron Township for November 24, says you're going to plead to allow unlicensed driver to operate, and I'm going to dismiss a drove while license suspended misdemeanor and 3 different civil infractions. That's your deal on that pile? Did you read your rights form on these? Understood the rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge of allow unlicensed driver to operate? Understanding all of those nice things, are you pleading guilty to 2 charges today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, let's start with July 3rd, 2022. Did you drive a vehicle in Sumter at that time? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea, and I'll dismiss the original charge. All right, moving on to Huron. Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on November 24, 25? And was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea on that file. And dismiss all those civil infractions and the drove while license suspended charge. Are you working? And what's the status of your license? What's it take to get you right on the road?
No, I just have to get in the train. That's my only issue right now.
You need to go back for a driver's license appeal division hearing? Anything you want me to know before I sentence you on these files? All right, on each one of these files, fines and costs are $600. On each one of these files, I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick the days you want to work. Can you pay $1,200 today, or do you need some options? Go downstairs, talk about your options, and they'll schedule your work days. Do you have any questions? Good luck with your license. Good morning. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? Did you understand those rights? Understand the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of double parking, civil infraction? Okay. All right, so you're going to plead responsible to the civil infraction. We're going to dismiss the misdemeanor from January of 2020, right? All right. And you've also got some money posted. Looks like you've got a $150 bond. Okay. All right, so I will accept your plea to that added charge. You agreed to pay fines and costs of $300, correct? All right, do you have $150 today to pay in addition to the bond we've got?
I'm probably gonna like $20, but we put towards it. Right.
So what do you want to do? You want to do monthly payments, weekly payments? All right. Looks like you've also got a speeding ticket you owe us money on here, $275. So how much can you pay? How often and how much?
50 to 100 a month.
All right, go downstairs, make that first payment, get something on paper on the total. Any questions? You as well. We don't get our money, the misdemeanor goes back on, you gotta deal with that.
You're on for the record, Jeff Bowditch, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. King. Sir, could you tell Judge your name?
Yeah, great.
Your Honor, this is case 21 HR 13743. His name, I'm set for writing in this matter, but the form reads standing to the charges. We've also had a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. King will be pleading guilty to an handicap operating while impaired. It was a 5-year-old case with the understanding the high BAC would become operating while visibly impaired, and then he would be pleading guilty, driving while license is suspended.
All right, have you discussed your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options I give you? You understand the possible penalty for the impaired driving charge? Possible penalty for DWLS? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to those charges freely and voluntarily today? September 29, 2021, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? At that time, had you been drinking alcohol? Did you take a breath test or a blood test? Do you know what your test results were? Stipulate? Over 0.17?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the factual basis? I'll accept your plea, sir, to the drove license suspended charge and the impaired driving charge. I'll dismiss the original high BAC charge. I'm gonna send you downtown, or downtown. I'm gonna send you downstairs to make an appointment to come back and be interviewed by a probation officer. Then you'll come back for a sentencing date when the three of us will have a chance to talk about a report. You got all that? Any yes?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
All right. I'm assuming we've got him on a bond. So bond will be continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, Mr. King, you owe us some money on civil infractions from 2021, a PBT refusal, $376. Are you in a position to make a payment plan on that?
Yeah.
Set that up today before you get out of here, would you? All right, you're all set. We'll see you in probably 3 or 4 weeks. Kennedy Carvalho? How'd I do?
Your Honor, before the record, Jeffrey Bowser is here on behalf of witness. Your Honor, today's the date time set for the Raymond Indian Driver with reading stand. You also had a chance to preach on this case, Your Honor. Ms. Carvalho. Ms. Carvalho is going to be pleading guilty to any counts that having smart licensing with the understanding that the original charges would be dismissed.
Okay, what I've got is she's gonna plead to one original charge and dismiss one original charge. I've got registration or plate violation to be dismissed and, oh, what the hell? I got 2 registration or plate violations. Okay, we'll make it work. Did you discuss your rights with Mr. Bowditch? You understand those rights? Understand the options they present to you? And do you understand the possible penalty for driving with an expired license? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely or voluntarily? Are you doing so voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on July 9, 2022 while your license was expired? Satisfied, Mr. Bowditch? So am I. What should I know before I sentence?
Yeah, about a week ago, I paid like $1,400 off in tickets. I tried to pay them off back. I'm just trying to reform my life. I work at a heart specialist now, so I'm just trying to get my life on track. Like a part-time mother now too. So
Okay.
I'm just trying to get my life on track just so I can be better all the way around.
Okay. All right. So what's the status of your license?
After I paid those 2 tickets, they told me I could go ahead and go to the Secretary of State and get it situated. But I wanted to get this out the way just so I would cross all my.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I have an appointment today at 10 o'clock, so I'm going to go get my permit all over again.
Okay. Anything else you want me to know? All right.
Thank you.
All right. So on the expired ops, $500 fines and costs. Can you pay it today or do you need to talk options?
I can pay today.
All right, go downstairs, get a smile out of our cashier. You're welcome. You as well. Albert, is it Ciotti? How do you say it?
Is that right?
Ciotti? Mr. Bowditch.
Jeffrey Bowditch, 45367, appearing on behalf of, and we can Mr. Seattle, sir. Tell Judge your name for the record, please.
Yes, Albert Shiati.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's the date time set for Raymond in this matter from the reading of the statement. Also, got a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor. We have an executed plea agreement in which Mr. Ciotti will be pleading guilty to the fighting, with the understanding the matter will be taken under 771 for a period of 6 months, with the understanding that Mr. Ciotti's obligations by the court that the matter will be considered for dismissal at that time.
Thank you. You understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes.
And you understand the possible penalty for the assault and battery or the violent behavior charge?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily?
Are you doing anything freely and voluntarily?
Yes,
All right, so February 6, 2026, were you fighting with Mr. Ellis in Huron Township? Satisfied? So am I. What should I know before I sentence?
An unfortunate incident, thank you for the weather. They live in the, same park, but they don't see each other, but they have no
Okay.
isolated cases.
Are you working, sir?
disabled with back injury.
All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? No magic answer. I'm just giving you a chance to talk if there's anything you want to share. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Can you stay out of contact with Mr. Ellis?
Oh, yeah. I ain't got no reason to go near him.
All right.
Other than driving by his house it's on the way home.
Well, just drive by like this and you're fine. You can't drive by like this.
I ain't got no reason, had no reason.
All right.
Knowing this guy.
All right. I'll delay sentence for 6 months. Stay out of trouble. No new criminal charges. No contact with him. Court costs are assessed amount of $500. Can you pay it today? Can you pay $500 today? Go downstairs and make arrangements. They'll tell you what your options are.
Go downstairs.
Andrew Irving.
Oh, yeah.
You had a question about work program, sir?
Yeah, I didn't realize that the 4 days work was during the week. I work 4 a.m. to 2:30 in the afternoon, Monday to Friday.
Who you work for?
Republic Waste.
Oh, you said that.
The tone shifts sharply. DeAndre King, represented by counsel, pleads guilty to operating while impaired and driving with a suspended license from a case dating back to September 2021, with a stipulated BAC over .17. The high BAC charge is dismissed as part of the deal. The judge accepts the plea, orders a probation interview ahead of formal sentencing, and reminds King he still owes $376 on an unrelated breath test refusal, all while his bond continues.